Hello, hello, hello sa lahat ng Aries. Magandang araw sa inyo. Welcome back. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love. Sa inyong Tagalog love reading, ngayon na, Miss Mo. Okay, so for today, ang gagawin natin ay ang inyong Valentine's Day special reading, Tagalog love reading. Okay, so tingnan natin ano bang mga ganap sa inyo bukas. Okay? So I hope na mag-resonate itong reading na to. And kung hindi man, huwag pilitin. It only means hindi para sa isang reading na to. And since this is a collective reading, it may or may not resonate. So, kung gusto nyo ng personal reading, message nyo lang ako. Nasa description box yung email address ko. Okay? Alright. And sana po, supportahan nyo ang aking channel. Sa mga bago, please subscribe na. Share nyo rin to sa mga kakilala ng Aries. And like this video. Alright? And tulungan nyo mag-grow ang aking channel para makagawa pa ako ng maraming collective love readings para sa inyo. Okay, comment na rin kayo below kung mag-resonate siya. Okay, sige. Tingnan natin yung overall energy ng reading na ito para sa araw ng mga puso, para sa mga Aries. Okay, second card. Hope. Wow! There's so much hope in love. Diba? So, punong-puno ng pag-asa. Punong-puno ng ano yun? Pag-ibig na inaasam-asam ninyo. Okay, so tingnan natin ano bang detalye ng hope card na to. Sige. So, using tarot, I will pull 8 cards. Tapos, if need ng clarification, gamitin natin yung isang deck. Okay. So, kamusta naman mga Aries dyan? Anong ganap niyo bukas? Tingnan natin. Kikiligin ba kayo? Oops. Okay. Second card. Queen of Coins. Okay. So, takpan lang natin siya. Dahil siya ay okay. Five of Cups. Oh, Emperor. Kayo to. Queen of Cups. Eight of Wands. Oh, the Empress and the Emperor are here. So, the Fool and Eight of Cups. Okay, tignan natin. So, there is strong energy of your sign, Aries. So, reading nyo talaga to. Kasi si Fool, the Fool and the Emperor are here. Just strong energy of Aries. Pwedeng Aries din yung person ninyo. Okay? And pwede rin Taurus and Aquarius. Okay? So, doesn't have to. Ito lang yung strong energies na nasasagap sa reading na to. Okay? Alright. So, magsimula siya sa Queen of Coins, ended with Eight of Cups. Usog ko lang para if need ng clarification namin. Oops, pasensya na. May pagdadabog. Joke lang. Nagaganap sa labas. Alright. So, Queen of Coins. So si Queen of Coins is a card of practicality. So, I guess yung person ninyo is someone who you can really depend on. Ayaw niya ng drama in life. Ayaw niya ng drama sa love life. Okay? And I guess yun siguro din yung reason bakit lumabas si Five of Cups. Okay? Which is a card of sadness and regret. So, kung meron mang mga kadramahan sa connection yung dalawa, I guess kailangan na siyang mawala because it's causing the two of you some conflict, diba? Some issues and some ano yun, yung na nagkakaroon kayo ng alam niyo, gusto niyo isa't isa, okay? Pero you have to acknowledge na yung mga kadramahan nga, hindi nga siya gusto nung person mo. Okay? So, if you have this tendency to be overly dramatic or too much, yung, alam mo yun, kung may tendency ka rin na parang maging anxiously attached. So, you try to change it kasi it will just cause some issue between the two of you. And it also shows here that, yeah, you have, it's your responsibility then, di ba, na to take action. Kung aware ka na dun sa behavior na yun, di ba, you have to take action. Alright? Because the Emperor is also a card of stability and responsibility. And yung, alam mo yun, yung kayang, kasi, well, ikaw kaya mong i-balance naman talaga yung everything na nangyayari sa situation, sa connection ninyo. Okay? So, actually, it's the other way around. I'm just reading the energy. So, pwedeng siya yung madrama, ikaw yung ayaw mo ng drama, di ba? And, it's that, yung katramahan ng person mo, it's the one causing nga yung sadness sa relationship. Kasi nga, ayaw mo na ng ganun, di ba? Puro love lang. Diba? Tama na yung mga eme-eme, ganyan. So, ayan. And it also shows here sa Queen of Cups na si Queen of Cups kasi is having emotional maturity. Okay? And being truly committed sa relationship. So, kung ikaw or si partner is really committed sa relationship, okay? So, lahat ng mga issues willing kayong i-resolve. And it's really time to resolve it, lalo na dadating ang Valentine's Day. So, para maging full of love siya, alright, kailangang mawala na yung drama sa relationship ninyo. And that's, I think, what you really hope for. So, yes, and dito sa Eight of Wands, okay, so si Eight of Wands is, it's a card of progress. And nakikita ko naman dito sa energy na to na your partner or you are making an effort naman to really change. Okay? And because gusto nyo, mahal nyo yung isa't isa. You really care for each other, as shown here by the Empress. And yun nga, lumabas nga ang the Emperor, the Empress, and the two of you are a match made in heaven. Kayo yung power couple. Alam mo ba, sa tarot, the Emperor and the Empress are the power couple. Diba? Or soulmates. Diba? So, ayan, kayo talaga yung para sa isa't isa. So, lahat ng mga issues kailangan nyo nang ma-resolve. And you really have to start a new beginning when it comes to your relationship with each other. So, kailangan nyo na magsimula ng panibagong chapter in your life. And, alam nyo na, yun din naman yung inaasam-asam ninyo. Or what you both really hope for sa connection ninyo na drama-free, puro love lang, di ba? So, you have to take action. Both of you. Kung sino man yung party na nagko-cause ng issues on conflict and sadness sa relationship. Because once na ma-resolve yun, yung momentum, yung momentum going to the new or to the new beginning or fresh start in your relationship is happening. Diba? And dito sa Eight of Cups, okay, so Eight of Cups is really letting go. Letting go of something from the past or letting go of the habits. So, kuwari kung dito sa reading na to, it's really letting go of those patterns, behaviors, habits that is causing some sadness dun sa relationship ninyo. Okay? So, yeah, okay naman yung reading. May kailangan lang i-resolve because here, bottom line naman is mahal niyo ang isa't isa at para kayo sa isa't isa. So, kailangan nyo yung gawin ng paraan at kailangan nyo nang gawin yan para happy naman ang inyong Valentine, di ba? Okay. So, tingnan natin. Let's just clarify lang siguro ano yung nagkakos ng drama at sadness sa relationship. Tingnan natin. Let's just clarify. Okay. The Knight of Wands. Okay. So, si Knight of Wands. Alright. So, si Knight of Wands ay it's a card. Sorry, nakatinalala mo yun ko. Okay. Si Knight of Wands is a card of adventure and eagerness. Alam mo yun, yung sobrang into parang ayaw magseryoso. Parang yung gusto lang niya sa relationship yung puro fun lang, puro yung thrill, parang meron siyang parang pursuit of the thrill and excitement. Parang yun lang yung gustong mangyari ng person mo. Pero pagdating na sa mga seryosong bagay or when it comes to the serious matters, parang medyo ilag, ganun. So, I think that's the drama na iniiwasan din niya. Pero, which is, hindi naman siya talaga drama. It's just, magseryoso lang minsan sa relasyon, di ba? Kasi may mga ganun tao na parang pag seryosong usapan na parang ilag na sila, hindi na nila kayang i-navigate yung relationship pag nagiging mas serious na yung relationship. Gusto nila fun lang, mag-stay lang sa honeymoon stage, ganun. So, that's the thing that needs to be resolved. Okay? Kasi very, very, there's a loving energy between two of you. So, kaya kailangan nyo na siyang i-push. And ano yung, sige, i-clarify natin ano yung kailangan na talagang i-let go sa relationship na to. Okay, second card. Okay, Four of Wands. So Four of Wands is, so, yun nga, once na ma-let go na to, it's, mag-move na siya dun sa isang, a new milestone in your life. Okay, so kailangan yung, what you really have to let go is the energy that is blocking this thing to happen, which is, yung pagkakaroon nyo ng celebration, ng panibagong milestone or next level ng relationship, di ba? So, kung gusto nyo mag-level up sa relationship ninyo, okay, you really have to let go of the things na nagbo-block for it to happen, which is this. Okay? Ayun. So, I hope na nag-resonate itong reading na to. If yes, comment nyo lang sa baba. And ayun, since sinabi ko I hope, diba? It's the overall energy. So, keep the hopes high na everything will be okay. And when there is love, tapos meron pang hope, lahat ng bagay ay magagawa ng paraan. Okay? So, muli, ako si Mystico Moreno. Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay and kita-kits sa susunod na reading dito lang mismo. Okay. Ingat!